Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the BR-2000, and this is the Tennant 2370 corded electric burnishers. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machines running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so maybe your handle adjustment lever is broken or damaged and you got to replace it. Here's how you do it. Now what we need to do is we need to remove these 8 Torx 25 screws so that we can pull apart the handle assembly. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to separate the front side from the back side. Spread it apart just like that. Be sure not to lose any of the pieces on the inside. Okay, now that we have this front part open and we need to replace the handle adjustment lever right here, all you have to do is take it and pull it off, just like that. Now, take your new lever, line it up, and slide it back down into place. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to take the front part of the handle assembly and reattach it to the back part of the handle assembly. So very gently so you don't mess up the safety buttons and the springs. Line it up at the bottom. Line it up just like that. And now you hold it into place. Okay, now we can go ahead and screw down the 8 Torx 25 screws. Now you have 7 small screws and 1 longer screw. The longer screw goes in the bottom. I just like to get them started first. Do one on the right side of the handle assembly and one on the left side so that it holds it all together. And now you can tighten down the bottom one. And that should hold everything in place so you can tighten down the rest of them. So what you want to do on these 2 screws here, tighten them down all the way and then give it about a 1/4 turn back so that it keeps these loose. If you over tighten, these will stick. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.